Hi, good morning. It's so awesome to see you guys. Happy Monday. And if you're watching this on a different day, happy whatever day that you're watching this. So I'm going to show you guys something really awesome today. We're going to do a Pilates leg series to increase that length and that strength within the legs, as well as targeting to your abdominals and into your core. And just a little bit of a fact is that both men and women can do this series, and particularly men. Sometimes they hear Pilates and they're like, whatever, that's not my thing, I lift weights. So actually a lot of professional athletes do use Pilates and yoga to help preserve their muscles, as well as increasing length and flexibility and strength, as well as preserving all their muscles, so as they age, they're able to age gracefully without feeling all those aches and pains. So we really like to target into your back muscles, so your spinal cord, all up and down your spinal cord is building strength. So check it. I'm gonna lay on the mat. You guys are gonna start on your back, and you're gonna extend your feet straight out in front. And then I'm gonna keep my head raised because I want to activate my core the whole entire time. Okay, so your legs are gonna be fully straight. You're gonna point the toe as you lift up. So my feet are about 5 to 6 inches off the floor. That's really gonna activate right in through my abdominals into my core. And then I'm pointing my toe because that creates length all through my legs, inner thighs, hips, as well as increasing that flexibility in the back of my legs. So you guys are at home, you're gonna do 20 on each leg. I'm just gonna do 10 on each leg. And then you're gonna release one leg down. You're gonna extend the right leg straight up in the air. You're gonna go down to the mat, and then you're gonna go to a high V above your shoulder. Okay, drop your foot down, kick the foot up, bring it toward the shoulder. No matter what your degree of flexibility, just kick it in that direction, because it'll get right in through those inner thighs, as well as increase that strength and that length and the flexibility into the back of your hamstrings. And you're gonna point the toe to create that length all through your quadriceps, psoas, hip flexor. And then after you do the right side, and then you're gonna go over to the left side. After you've done your 20, you're gonna bring your feet back up. You're gonna be pointing your toes inward, so you're gonna feel that you're already working through your inner thighs. You're gonna split outward and in. Open your feet like 5, 6 inches, close them. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. So you're gonna do these for 20. I'm just doing them for 10. From here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna scissor your feet, keeping your toes in. My head is still raised, so my core is being activated the whole entire time. Squeezing through your inner thighs, toes are in, heels are out. And then your heels are gonna come together, toes are gonna spread apart. Bring your knees to your elbows, extend your legs all the way out, squeeze your inner thighs. So this time my feet are flexed. My heels are together, my toes are spread apart. You're gonna go in toward the elbows, extend all the way out. So you are gonna activate into those obliques, into those core, into those abdominals, hips, glutes, inner thighs. After you've done your 20, extend your legs fully straight, keep them flexed. You're gonna go out, in, up, and down. So you're gonna go out, flex your feet, in, flex your feet, lift up, flexing your feet, dropping them down. Core is active the whole entire time. If you have a lower back injury, bring your hands underneath your lower back, and that'll help support some weight into your lower back, as well as at the same time you still will be building core strength. And then after that, you're gonna squeeze your knees in, you're gonna rock side to side. Last little bit, you're gonna point your toes. You're gonna come up, touch your pointed toes while rounding the spine so you increase that strength. Then you're gonna extend your arms up to lengthen, and you're gonna C curve, which is curling out the whole entire spine, and you're gonna lengthen your arms over your head. So pointing the toe helps lengthen out through the tops of your thighs, curling the spine to increase flexibility and strength, and then extending the spine up, that creates length and working with your posture. The C curve helps to build core strength at the same time as you're stacking all the vertebrae and extending your arms over your head. So again, you guys are gonna do 20 of these. Take your time, go at your own pace, extend and lengthen, curl in to roll out the whole entire spine. And then you're gonna finish by planting your feet. You're gonna lift your hips up into a bridge. This will help stretch out the tops of your thighs, because increasing of the stretches actually will help lengthen out the muscles. Then you'll stay there for 30 seconds, and then you'll extend your legs straight out in front, turn your toes out, turn your palms up, and you're gonna stay there for about a minute. Full relaxation through your body. So remember, you guys are gonna be doing 20 repetitions. You can go do that 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times, whatever feels perfect and great for you. So that's it. You guys have a great, awesome rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon, and I look forward to seeing you guys later on in the week. All right, have an awesome day. Peace.